shooting for success this summer. Young athletes are hitting the court at the Junior Dolphin Basketball Camp, where players and coaches from the Battery Creek High School boys basketball team are leading hands-on drills, focusing on building strong fundamentals and a love for the game.
It's fun to do things like this, and it's more than a game, so we just want to get the kids better that really love this game and cherish this game and want to go do bigger things in life with basketball.
It helps them get better the time they play basketball, coming up to high school. By the time they get to high school, they're going to be great, so that's why we do this camp.
The rising 4th through 8th graders are sharpening both their offensive and defensive skills, gaining confidence and control on the court.
It helped me with my left hand because I'm only right-handed, and left hand is kind of hard to do other stuff.
How to play defense and how to shuffle my feet when I'm on defense, and how to play offense.
The camp is also emphasizing teamwork, discipline, and leadership, both on and off the court.
This year is not more so drills. We've been harping a lot on sportsmanship, trying to get the more better and positive sportsmanship throughout the game of basketball and what it means.
The high school team is excited to run drills with the kids and share their skills and passion for the game.
Full court layup drill because it allows them to challenge themselves with the ball handling and their finishing.
Don't be scared. Just take your time shooting, dribbling. Just take your time, work on it, and you'll get better at it.
About 35 kids took part in the 3-day basketball camp. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.